You very lucky. You very lucky. Why do you say that? Why do you say that? You speak two languages. You speak two languages. Well, my English isn't perfect. Well, my English isn't perfect. No one speaks perfect English. No one speaks perfect English. Maybe I'll be the first. Maybe I'll be the first. I've been thinking about learning Spanish. I've been thinking about learning Spanish. Spanish is easy. I'll be happy to teach you. Spanish is easy. I'll be happy to teach you. How long will it take me to learn? How long will it take me to learn? I think it will only take you a year or two. I think it will only take you a year or two. How soon can we begin? How soon can we begin? Ahora. That means right now. Ahora. That means right now. Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? No, I don't. Do you? No, I don't. Do you? I don't have a girlfriend either. I don't have a girlfriend either. Why not? Why not? I don't know. Maybe I'm not rich enough. I don't know. Maybe I'm not rich enough. Girls like guys with money. Girls like guys with money. They should do. They should do. They like guys with new cars. They like guys with new cars. How do I have money or a new car? How do I have money or a new car? Me neither. Me neither. But girls like guys who are funny. But girls like guys who are funny. Maybe we should learn some good jokes. Maybe we should learn some good jokes. We need to save money. We need to save money. Why do we need to save money? Why do we need to save money? Because we need to buy a house. Because we need to buy a house. But a house is so expensive. But a house is so expensive. That's why we need to save money. That's why we need to save money. How much do we need to save? How much do we need to save? We need to save enough for down payment. We need to save enough for a down payment. How much is that? How much is that? That's about USD 30,000. That's about USD 30,000. $30? That will take forever. $30? That will take forever. $30? That will take forever. Not if we save every penny. Not if we save every penny. Okay, here is 7 pennies. Okay, here is 7 pennies. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Chicago. I live in Chicago. Which state does Chicago belong to? Which state does Chicago belong to? Chicago is a city of Illinois. Chicago is a city of Illinois. What is the population of Chicago? What is the population of Chicago? About 2.7 people. About 2.7 people. It's a big city. It's a big city. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. My parents are divorced. My parents are divorced. So are mine. So are mine. Why did your parents get divorced? Why did your parents get divorced? My father found a new girlfriend. My father found a new girlfriend. That's too bad. That's too bad. My mother was hurt and angry. My mother was hurt and angry. She was good. What did she do? She was good. What did she do? She told him to drop his girlfriend. She told him to drop his girlfriend. What did your father do? What did your father do? He moved out of our house. He moved out of our house. He moved out of our house. I guess he really liked his new girlfriend. I guess he really liked his new girlfriend. Yes, but she will left him a year later. Yes, but she will left him a year later. What a beautiful day! What a beautiful day! Yes, that's right. Yes, that's right. Oh, it seems like it will rain soon. Oh, it seems like it will rain soon. Yes, and I would enjoy it if it rains. Yes, and I would enjoy it if it rains. Yes, and I would enjoy it if it rains. Why is that? Why is that? The rain will clean the streets and makes the air cooler. The rain will clean the streets and make the air cooler. I see. After the rain, it will be very clean. I see. After the rain, it will be very clean. Yes. Are you going to fly a kite with me? Yes. Are you going to fly a kite with me? Yes. Are you going to fly a kite with me? Yes, of course. I'm very excited. Yes, of course. I'm very excited. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What kind of car do you have? What kind of car do you have? I have a Honda. I have a Honda. Is it new? Is it new? It was new in 2003. It was new in 2003. So, it's pretty old now. So, it's pretty old now. Yes, it is. But it still looks good. Yes, it is. But it still looks good. Do you take care of it? Do you take care of it? Oh, yes. I wash once a week. Oh, yes. I wash once a week. Do you change the oil? Do you change the oil? My mechanic changes the oil twice a year. My mechanic changes the oil twice a year.